way. This way.
I'm on a Visa run bus to Laos, and this is exactly how it is. Come check it out.
Next thing would be the bus function. You can play with all the buttons here, the control panels, and enjoy the functions of the bus. There's a heaters, there's a coolers, there's a massage, there's a recline, there's a legs holder, all in one here. Right, there's a button next to the massage one. Please don't touch it. This empty one, you don't touch it. If you touch it, you won't be able to leave the bus. This one.
I think I already touched it.
Okay.
Which one?
Well, you know what it is, right? That's the happy ending one. This is the phone holder and phone charge USB Type C. If you have the tiny device and phones, I would like you to please put it in your pocket in your bags. Don't leave it in the chairs. I mean, since it's stuck in one of the holes in the chairs, it's almost impossible to take it out. So make sure that you're aware of that. Now you're welcome to bring snack and food to use it in the bus, but make sure that you will keep the vitamin here the same until we get home. And if you don't have your plastic bags to store the trash, please ask our driver for it and store it and dump it to trash can when we stop, so that we can keep this place clean and good. Now, if you want to drink alcohol to enjoy the day, you can do that, but please control yourself and don't get drunk and cause trouble to other people in the bus or at the border, or even to the staff. You know that we got a very strict policy where we're willing to refuse the service for a situation like that. Now, when we are on the expressway, you will see that we are not going fast as supposed to be on the expressway, because the expressway is under construction. So if you see your driver go slowly like snail, please don't blame him. That's the reason. Right, and we are aware of that, and we will bring you to the border in time and bring you back here. For the visa issuance at the border. So at the border, we got 3 main stops, and we got staff at every stations. All you need to do is just to give them their passport. You can easily find them by recognizing the hats. The Lynn Visa hat here. Some of them you will wear this hat at the border, so you can find them here at the border. Or you can look at you can find them at with the Lynn Visa shirts. Okay. Now, you give them the passport, check the stamp. Only the last station you will check your new stamp, and then you leave the border for the bus. So we're gonna organize yours by bus. Your bus number is bus number 6. So I would like you to please stick together, and we will call you by names and by the bus number too. Okay? So we do almost everything for you and with you at the border. What we need from you actually is just your patience and your trust in us. Now, we commit a hassle and worry free, where we worry for you. So if you want to worry, you can. But we would like you just please cash the worry to us, and we worry that for you. Cash the hassle to us, and we take care of the hassle for you. And you just enjoy the day and get the 90 days and come back here tonight. All right? I thank you very much, everybody. I wish you have a good trip, and I'll see you back here tonight. Thank you.
So we just arrived. I'm like half awake. This is the border. So we're giving our passport. Fell asleep on the bus with my contacts on, so my eyes are pretty dry right now. But looks like we're walking into the border gate. And it's actually really, really hot right now, so be prepared depending what time of the year you're going. maybe try to pick a day that's a little bit cooler, so it's not as bad. But right now it's really hot. I don't know if they're gonna let us film in here, but yeah, so these other tickets. I'm not gonna do it. I guess I'll be back. Don't get fine. Let's get that. He's with the company we're with. This is the Lynn Visa hat. We follow him. There is the border gate.
Thank you. Santos P. John Henry.
Around gate.
So they just did the first batch of passports and we're waiting on ours. This is the room where you can wait in. It's a little hot in here as well, but there's some fans. And it looks like we're in a little bit of a convenience store. They sell alcohol, chips, choco pies, Listerine, shampoo, a little bit of everything.
789ครับขึ้นรถครับ789 Japan, you know, you the same sticker. Order, they need to be paired. Physical photo or certificate. You got it? Certificate. You can get it off. So you just wait at around 30 minutes to 40 minutes. After that, you return to Vietnam. Go inside the main building. Behind me, the main building. And you must to give the passport for our partner again. Remember, you must to do that. It's very important. They will take the final stamp for you. Final stamp is with your new visa. So if you got the final stamp, you can go out. Okay? When you give the passport for our staff, after that, you come back here, we have your passport and wait. You got it? Okay, thank you guys for your name and please correct.
Okay, so this is the Laos border. And this is the line to get in. So it looks like we just passed the Vietnam gate. And now we're going to the Laos border, which seems to be in front of us over there. Okay, so this is what it's like at the Laos border. It's really hot. So again, I recommend try to go on a cool day if you're coming here in the summer at least, because everyone here is sweating. Let me show you. Everyone's just kind of waiting here. It's going to be about 30 to 40 minutes per person. I think we need to get our stamp here, cross back into the other border, and get our stamp there. Pro tip, there is a shuttle that can take you from Laos to the Vietnam border gate. And just like that, we're now back on the Vietnam side. Let me turn this around. And you'll see we're about to go back in the building. We're supposed to give our passports to the Lynn Visa. We're supposed to give our passports to the Lynn Visa employee, and they're gonna get us the stamp to get back fully into Vietnam. And then I think we're done. They sell this iced orange juice drink on the Vietnamese side of the store. 50,000 dong. You ask for it at the cashier. It's really worth it on a cold day. It's going to be colder than every drink it's going to be really good on a hot day. It's probably colder than every drink in the fridge, the refrigerators that they have. I got a water, and it's pretty warm. But this, really cold, really worth it. $50,000, I recommend it. So yeah, we spent a good 30 to 40 minutes when we first got here, waiting on the Vietnam side. Then we went to the Laos side. We spent another 50 minutes there. Then we go back to the Vietnam side and we spent another 40 minutes here. So what's the math on that? It's maybe almost close to 2 hours that we spent here at the border. But we just got our visa stamp, so now we're walking back to the bus. That was basically it. Overall, it was alright. It was just really hot. So again, try to pick a non-hot day. Try to dress cool and light. But also you might want to bring a light jacket because the AC is on the bus. So they are blasting that, so you could get cold on the bus. But out here you will be hot. And then what else? If you have a portable fan or like a mister, I'd probably bring that. There was a bus passing by, so just in case you didn't hear, I said I'd probably bring a portable fan or a mister because it does get hot. And yeah, that's basically it. Other tips, you might want to bring some like drowsy medicine or some magnesium. That way you can fall asleep on the bus, get your muscles relaxed, and not get dizzy. Just because, yeah, the bus ride you could definitely get dizzy. It helped that I fall asleep during the 2 legs on the way over here. There's 3 legs, you stop twice. Yeah, it definitely helped that I fell asleep on the last 2 legs. But yeah, I think that's basically the insight I got. Okay, we're on our first stop on the way back home. It's about 5:30 right now. We're on bus number 6. So I assume if you get there a little bit earlier, you get to head out there earlier, but come back a little bit earlier. But I can't imagine the other buses being too ahead in front of us. There's one bus that's right in front of us there. I probably assume it's bus number 5. But yeah, we're here for about 10 minutes, get to use the restroom, hop back on the road, and then we drive for about another 90 minutes, and so forth. So I think we have one more stop, and then after that stop, we finally get home. But right now it's about 5:30 p.m., stop number 1. There's some restrooms. I'll show you here behind me. These are where the restrooms are. And it's got a little convenience store right here. And then it's got some places where you could eat food. This was also the lunch stop. They didn't have too many items on the menu. It was like rice and some chicken. Didn't really look appealing for me to get it. Yeah, this is the retail store. And I see people here waiting. This is where everyone's waiting to just get back on the bus. If you got any value from this video, the greatest thing that you could do to help support is to give me a subscription. That's going to be the best thing you could do to help support the channel and help the channel grow. If you can't give a subscription, just give a like or a comment, give me your thoughts. Let me know if you think this is probably a better route, or if you'd probably just take a flight out to Thailand, spend it there for a week. I think like Thailand was probably like double the price of what I spent. But yeah, let me know what you think. Drop a comment below and see you on the next one. Peace.